My name is rWhite with BISH'S RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a North Trail. It's a nice little coach. First thing I want to mention is it does have the outside or the tongue jack. Unique in its storage, it's got a huge outside storage. It's got power jacks front and rear, stabilizer jacks. It does have the exterior outside fridge, barbecue location. It has a Yeti sidewall construction, 2-inch thick laminated sidewall, the easy entry steps, of course tandem axle. Let's step inside, take a look. You got a nice grab handle going in. One of the cool things is the shower. The bathroom in this thing is huge. It's got a nice walk-in shower. It's got great linen storage, dual sinks, dual vanity mirrors, just an immense amount of storage in this. You've got a nice booth setting area, a kind of an L-shaped sofa. It of course has ducted air all the way through. Really nice pantry, your fridge. Your galley has a single basin, huge stainless steel sink, gas stovetop and oven, microwave. Lots of storage in this. Just, you know, for a travel trailer, it has a lot of storage. You've got drawers here and also drawers down on this side. Then you walk into your bedroom. Notice you've got a king-size bed. It's got plugs for your phone chargers. It also, in a wardrobe, has a double door, nice wardrobe. And it's just a great coach, folks. It does have the blackout shades, of course. This is a great coach. We'd love to have you come and take a look at this. My name is rWhite with BISH'S RV. You can reach me direct at 541-521-8914. Thank you for your time.